Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Redmi Watch 3 Active, and this time we are going to check one of its main features. That is the health function. So we have here the heart rate monitoring and the blood oxygen monitoring. So we are going to check on that. We'll see the results, and of course we'll also have a simultaneous side-by-side comparison of the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen function of our Apple Watch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, especially for the heart rate and blood oxygen results, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's check out the heart rate monitoring. Okay, so when you tap on the heart rate, and if you are not using it, as you can see here, it can detect whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. Okay, so it will not monitor your heart rate. The same with blood oxygen if you are not wearing the smartwatch. Okay, so again, it is not just a random monitoring, okay, or fake sensor. It can actually check whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. So let's start. So it is now measuring our heart rate. Okay, so let's wait for the results. So we have here 82. So this is a real-time heart rate monitoring. Okay, so it will keeps on checking the heart rate in real time. Okay, so we have 81, 82, 80. Okay, so we have the results fast right away. Okay, so let's adjust first. Let's go back. Let's adjust the settings here for the display so we can have a much longer time for the screen. Okay, so for the Apple Watch, so let's check. Let's have a simultaneous monitoring here and see if they have a closer result. Not necessarily the same, but just a close result of the heart rate. Okay, so we have here the heart rate and the heart rate for our Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, so let's check. So as you can see here, we are on 75 for the Apple Watch. So 79, 80. I think it's the same. Okay, just plus or minus, I think. Plus or minus 1. Okay. The Apple Watch do have a much faster sensor here. But when it comes to the results, almost the same here. Okay. So current HR. So just a minor difference so far. Okay. 76, 79. Now it's the same. So it's just a minor difference when it comes to the results here. Okay. 30-day HR. Okay, but we don't have the details like this walking average, resting heart rate. We don't have it here. Okay, if you want to see the complete results, we have it in the support app. Okay, in the smartphone. Okay, for the blood oxygen, let's check. So we have an SpO2 monitoring here for our Redmi Watch 3. For our Apple Watch, we also have a blood oxygen monitoring here. Let's look for it. Okay, we have it here. Okay, measure. So let's see. Keep still, which is much faster. I think the Apple Watch do have a faster sensor here when it comes to detecting our blood oxygen. So we have 94%. For the Redmi Watch 3, we do have, I think it's 97 here. Okay, 97. Okay, so few points. But when it comes to heart rate, the heart rate do have a much better result, I think. Okay, let's go back to the heart rate. I changed the position of the smartwatch. Okay, so we can see, okay, we can have a different result. Let's see, or we can have at least an accurate, okay, or reliable result, both sensors. So 76 here. So this is our Redmi Watch 3 Active. This is our Apple Watch. Okay, 80. We expect the Apple Watch to go up. Okay, as you can see here, it's almost the same, plus or minus 1 or 2 points. Okay, drop for the Apple Watch, I think. You see, so it has a close result. Okay, so I guess it has a good sensor here for the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, but we don't have the results here, I think, whether it's a resting heart rate or walking average heart rate. We don't have it here. We only have here a 30-day result. Okay, okay, so let's check on the data of our heart rate on the support app. Okay, so we are connected or paired with the Mi Fitness application, as you can see here. The Redmi Watch 3 Active, we are connected to the support app. So let's check here. Okay, so our device here is the settings for our heart rate. Okay, so it is on a continuous monitoring, so you can set it to just monitor once. All you have to do is just close it, or you can set it to monitor every minute or every 10 minutes. Okay, you can also have here an alert for the heart rate, high heart rate, or the low heart rate. Okay, then for the graph, we have it here on the dashboard. So let's check. As you can see here, you have to complete your profile first, but we do have here the after completing the profile, we have the graphs here. Okay, so we have daily summary, maximum heart rate, also have the average heart rate. We have the days, week, and month. Okay, so we have a monthly summary, weekly summary, and of course the daily summary of our heart rate. Okay, so it's not that detailed compared to Apple Watch, but we do have the results here, as well as the blood oxygen. We have it here. Okay, so that's it for the health function of our Redmi Watch 3 Active smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.